Here is part 1 of a new design with this beautiful piece of lapis. With the stone being the focal point of the design, I am starting by making a bezel. Simply put, a bezel is a type of stone setting that refers to the band of metal that runs around the stone to hold it in place. The lapis I'm using is cut in a cabochon shape, meaning it has a flat back and its sides are a soft curve, making it perfect for this setting type. For the bezel, I'm using 0.5mm thick sheet metal, which is very thin, making it easy to manipulate. Because my stone is not a perfect oval and the metal is very soft, I'm using the stone as a guide in forming the bezel around it by hand, which doesn't feel right to do, but it works. So now that the bezel is made, next is the back plate for the stone to sit on. For this, I am Frankensteining it using several offcuts of the same 0.5mm sheet. I'm using such a thin metal for the back to not add any unnecessary weight to the piece, since the stone itself is pretty heavy. The only annoying thing about doing all this is the filing of all the edges. It's not that it takes too long, it's just boring. Once the plate is in one piece, I can solder the bezel onto it, careful not to overheat the piece and pull solder from previous joins. Then back to the bench pin where the piece is trimmed and filed and ready for part 2. Stay tuned!